Importance of regular checkups for your dog. What is one of the most important things you can do to keep your dog healthy? Hope you already guessed it from the title of the video. Yes, it is establishing a mutually respectful relationship with a veterinarian. It can be a huge relief to be assured that you and your veterinarian are partners in maintaining your dog's health and caring for your canine companion when he has problems. Your dog will require veterinarian care throughout his life, from puppyhood to old age. Regular health examinations for your dog, 046, will assist detect hidden abnormalities and small difficulties before they become major concerns. So, today you will know what you can expect from your first puppy health checkup, follow-up puppy checkup, annual checkup, and dental checkup. You will also learn how to choose the right vet for your dog and how to help him enjoy his visit to the vet. First puppy health checkup. Take your puppy to his first veterinary checkup as soon as possible. Carry him into the office and keep him off the floor unless he has already been vaccinated. In case he jumps out of your arms, he should wear a collar and a leash. Alternatively, a pet carrier can be used. Vets love meeting pups and you are likely to be greeted warmly. The doctor will want to know about your puppy's early life, including his birth date, litter size, where and how the puppies were raised, worming and flea treatments, and the results of any screening tests. Show the certificate to the vet if your puppy has been, 149, vaccinated. Your puppy will be weighed and the vet will perform a thorough checkup, including using an otoscope to examine his ears and listening to his heart. The vet will also skin your puppy to ensure that he is microchipped. Implanting a microchip under the skin between your puppy's shoulders ensures that he can be identified. Scanning the chip provides a unique number against which any contact information you provide is stored in a central database. If vaccination is required, it will be given right away. You may need to schedule some follow-up sessions to finish the vaccination course and allow the vet to monitor your puppy's progress. Before you go, the vet should advise you on diet, flea control, neutering, socialization, training, and automobile travel. If you require any additional information, please do not hesitate to ask. Follow-up puppy checkup. When your puppy is 4 or 5 months old, the veterinarian may advise you to take him in for another checkup to confirm that he is growing well and maturing physically and socially. This will also allow you to expand on the advice offered at the first puppy consultation. The vet will examine any puppy teeth that were not shed as the adult versions emerged at the follow-up checkup. This is significant because the baby teeth may need to be removed for the adult teeth to take up the proper position within the mouth and secure the proper bite. Annual checkup. One of the most important things you can do for your canine companion is to take her for a comprehensive veterinary checkup once a year. Even though your dog appears to be in perfect health, a veterinarian can often discover early indicators of disease or organ malfunction before your furry friend exhibits any visible symptoms. The veterinarian will inspect your dog from head to tail and ask questions about their thirst, appetite, diet, toilet habits, and exercise. If there is reason to be concerned, detailed diagnostic tests may be advised. You may be asked to provide a urine sample from your dog, especially if your pet is a senior, as this will provide further essential information regarding the kidneys and bladder. The sample should be collected early that morning and placed in an appropriate container. Your vet can also advise you on general health issues, including weight, body and coat condition, and parasite control. Other routine practices may include nail trimming if the nails have gotten too long and booster vaccinations to enhance immunity against infectious diseases. Some dogs do not like being examined. If this is the case, the vet may recommend muzzling your dog, or he may ask you to leave the room and have a veterinary nurse assist because some dogs are braver and better behaved when they are separated from their owners. Specific clinics, such as those dealing with weight issues, are run by some veterinary facilities. If your dog's weight is documented at the clinic, any gain or loss will be detected and treated early. Dental checkup. A healthy mouth not only allows your dog to enjoy his food, but it is also crucial for his overall health, as decayed teeth and diseased gums can lead to problems in other parts of the body. The teeth will be examined at annual checkups and any interim appointments, but you may consider taking your dog to a regular dental clinic. Such clinics can advise you on home dental hygiene techniques and track your progress. They will also assist if your dog requires a dental procedure such as a scale and polish. Choosing the right vet for you and your dog. Choose a veterinarian for your dog in the same manner that you would choose a doctor for yourself. When selecting a veterinarian for your dog, look for these characteristics. Someone who can diagnose, someone you can communicate with easily, someone who works in a modern facility, someone willing to make referrals, someone who has specific interests and specialty training. Don't wait until your dog is sick to find a vet. Learn the facts and begin working with a veterinarian while your dog is well. Don't pick a veterinarian based on the fees she charges for her services. Veterinarians put a lot of time and money into their education, clinic, and equipment. A veterinarian who normally charges less for her services than other vets in the same area is most likely cutting corners in some way, which may have an impact on your dog's treatment. Above all, when choosing a vet, follow your instincts. If you are uncomfortable speaking freely with a specific veterinarian, if you are concerned about the treatment your pet is receiving, or if your dog has a strong dislike for that particular vet, look for another veterinary. 640. Partner. Helping your dog enjoy his vet visit. Many dogs hate going to the vet. And why not? Just think how a typical veterinary checkup seems to your dog. First, he needs to wait in a small room full of dogs, cats, and other animals, the majority of which are terrified. Then he is led into an unknown room and placed on a cold table. Then a stranger who smells like soap, chemicals, and other animals touches him all over, looks in his mouth and ears, and pushes a cold glass thermometer up his rear end. On top of all that, the stranger often pokes him with at least one needle, if not more. You may take some action to make sure that your dog has a positive experience. Consider the following approaches to preventing your dog from developing a fear of vet visits. Bring your dog to the vet's office occasionally, even if you don't have an appointment. Bring your dog in and have the receptionist give him a cookie or two. Have a chat for a while. This way, your dog will learn to associate the vet's office with enjoyment, rather than a location where he is just poked and prodded. Make sure your dog gets some experience riding in a car just for fun. If he only rides in the car when he needs to see the veterinarian, he will eventually become terrified of getting in the car. If possible, schedule your veterinary appointment during times when there are fewer dogs in the office. This reduces your dog's social stress and your time in the waiting room. If your dog is extremely anxious while waiting in the waiting room, keep him in the car until the vet is ready to meet with you. Just let the office staff know you're in the parking lot, so they can inform you when they are ready. Bring a lot of treats with you. Give your dog a treat for coming through the door and another for sitting calmly with you. Train your dog in the basics of obedience. He will feel more confident if he is asked to do something familiar such as sit and stay during this stressful time. During the visit, ask the veterinarian to offer your dog some treats, especially before he or she examines your dog or does something unpleasant, such as inserting the thermometer. Don't mistakenly laud your dog for being stressed out. When the dogs act afraid in the vet's office, many people make the mistake of trying to comfort them. Your dog may view your attention as a compliment for his concern. You're better off ignoring him when he appears worried. Praise and give him treats for even minor small acts of bravery. Keep yourself calm and relaxed. Your dog can immediately detect your sentiments of anxiety, stress, or fear. You may become concerned if you see your dog's stress or fear. Your dog senses this and believes he has a legitimate reason to be upset. To avoid this, try remaining calm and cheery during vet visits regardless of how your dog behaves. If you act as if everything is fine, your dog may pick up on it.